Greetings everyone from Piedmont Triad International Airport in Greensboro, North Carolina, the home of Carolina Aircraft. Nakay Bueller here with a remarkable airplane to tell you about today. She's a 2001 Baron 58, but it's quite distinctive. This is the 2000th Baron, yes, serial number 2000. She has an incredible commemorative paint scheme, lots of bells and whistles. You will love her. Let's take a look. We'll talk about this commemorative paint scheme in just a moment, but first we'll talk about your special edition engines. Javon Continental IO 550 300 horsepower engines, $795 on both engines since major overhaul. And check out your beautiful 3-blade prop, $795 on the props since prop overhaul. Of course, we know the Baron is the iconic transportation machine for business or pleasure. You're going to want to take your things with you. We can carry up to 300 pounds up front. You can even take your golf clubs if you take the woods out. So beautiful and well equipped, known eye certified. You can see the boots. We've also got the hot prop. Now I want you to know we have plenty of fuel to fly to our business destinations, 166 gallons. Also, the WingSpar AD does not apply to this aircraft. So let's check out this exceptional commemorative paint scheme. Matterhorn white overall with cyan, purple, yellow, medium taupe, and black. 2000 special edition paint in good condition, 2,900 hours total time on the airframe since new. This airplane is a standout and a head turner. Depending on the angle, how you view the plane, as you walk around it, the paint color changes. Talk about luxury. We're going to take a closer look at this gorgeous interior. It's plush in just a minute. Of course, we have the large double cargo doors we love about the Baron. It's so easy to let our passengers and our things. You know the seating configuration, of course, it's versatile. Everyone could be facing each other in the executive seating configuration. Everyone can face forward. We can even remove the seats if we need to. And I don't need any tools for that. All I need to do is pick up on a bar, pull a pin, and we're good to go. So come on in and check out this unusual and beautiful interior. Gorgeous leather seats, special edition. We've got the sheepskin covers on all of the seats. Harlequin deep blue fleck carpet. Austin Powers would be in heaven. I love the executive writing desk. It's purple. It's different, but it's all in great, beautiful condition. We do have an intercom system, 6-place for everybody. Shoulder harnesses for everyone and sheepskin covers and headrest covers on the front for everyone. The sidewalls and the headline are great condition. So let's check out your flight deck. You'll enjoy a Garmin 530 GPS Navcom moving map. We also have a Garmin 430 GPS Navcom moving map. Your transponder is a Garmin GTX 345 transponder with ADS-B in and out. Your MFD is a King 850 multifunction and radar display. And yes, we do have color radar on board. It's a 2000 vertical profile color radar. Your yaw damp is a King. Your autopilot is a King KFC 225 autopilot, flight director, HSI. We do have altitude and vertical speed pre-select on board and an encoding altimeter. Other features you will love about this special edition 2001 Baron 58. She is known eye certified. We have factory air conditioning on board, heavy duty brakes, super soundproofing, pilot's relief tube, color weather radar, de-ice, anti-ice package, co-pilot brakes, co-pilot altimeter attitude indicator, and DG, wing ice lights, and more. So folks, we are living life in full color with this beautiful serial number 2000, the 2000th Baron 58. She is in beautiful condition. She's always been hangared, no damage history, very well taken care of. Yes, she's different, she's a head turner, and I love it, and you will too. Factory air conditioning, certified for no ice, great airplane, perfect transportation machine. She's not gonna last, folks. give us a call. We are at Piedmont Triad International Airport. We are Carolina Aircraft. We would love to meet you and show off this gorgeous airplane. Take her for a test drive. Baron School, it's included in the price of the aircraft. We want you to be safe and comfortable in your new to you Baron. Yes, the 2000th Baron. Love it. I'm May K. Viewer. Thanks so much for watching.